In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redirect to another URL page in Google Sites. Whether you're trying to guide your audience to a different web page or streamline navigation on your site, redirecting can be an incredibly useful tool. Let's dive right in. First, we want to make sure we're in the right spot within Google Sites. Go ahead and open your Google site and direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There you'll find several menu options. For our task, you're going to want to click on Pages. This is your control center for adding, managing, and organizing the pages on your site. Now that you have the Pages menu open, let's create a new link. Hover your cursor over the plus icon, which is often in a prominent position or may look like a button to prompt new additions. When you hover over it, some options will appear. You should see an option for a new link. Click on it and it will start guiding you through the process of setting up this redirect. In the next step, you'll need to name your page. This is crucial because it determines how your link will appear in your site's navigation. You want it to be clear and concise. So, in the field where it says to type the name of the page, think carefully about what you'll call it. Perhaps it's a simple redirect to Google, or another name that signifies where your link is taking users. Once you've decided on the right name for your page, it's time to paste in the actual URL you want the page to redirect to. You should have your URL ready for this step. Maybe you've copied it earlier or had it saved in a document. In our example, we're going to use a straightforward URL, google.com. Paste this URL into the space provided, making sure there are no typos. That's crucial because any mistakes could stop the page from redirecting properly. And there you have it, you've successfully created a redirect in Google Sites. This will now appear as a clickable link in your site's navigation bar, guiding your visitors to the URL you've specified. Whether it's to an external website or another resource, you have full control. Remember, managing redirects smartly can enhance the user experience significantly, providing smooth transitions and helping users find what they need with minimal clicks. As you become more comfortable with Google Sites, you'll find this functionality can assist in everything from linking to external resources to promoting interconnected content within your own site. Thanks for tuning in and happy redirecting.